Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Onyx Food Hill. Do remember to subscribe, share this video, and also leave your comments below. Thank you. In today's video, I'm going to simply show you how to make a simple pan-fried potatoes with some vegetables. I hope you watch this to the end and see how I prepare this. It's a very simple meal for breakfast. So for this recipe, you are going to need about 8 pieces of potatoes, some diced tomatoes, dry thyme, chopped onions, chopped red bell peppers, green bell peppers, 1 stock cube, a little salt to taste, few cloves of garlic, and black pepper. Feel free to add any of your seasoning or vegetables or whatever you have in mind, that would be okay. So let's get cooking. You're going to start by peeling your potatoes. I'm using the bland potatoes, which is the Irish potatoes. So you're going to peel it, then rinse it properly. This is the last one. Make sure you cut them into beautiful cubes just like this. And once you're done, you bring this into a bowl and set it aside. Done with that, heat a pan on a stove, then add some cooking oil into it. You can use olive oil or coconut oil, just a little oil. Now once you're sure the oil is heated, you're going to bring the potatoes into it. Make sure your potatoes are water free. Just make sure the potatoes are evenly spread in the pan. They shouldn't overlap each other. Then you're going to fry this without stirring. Heat for 3 minutes until the potatoes start to get brown. After a few minutes, I just come back to it, then stir this. Once you fry this for about 3 minutes and you notice the potatoes are becoming brown, you should flip to the next side and allow the other side to fry as well. I think it would be best to use a skillet for this so the potatoes don't get burnt while you're doing this. Then you're going to season this with some minced garlic. Just mince your garlic and add to it. Add some cayenne pepper into it just to taste. 1 stock cube, a pinch of salt. Instead of stock cube, you can use soy sauce for this. Then you're going to add in some chopped onions into it. Lastly, I'll be adding in dry thyme. You can add paprika or whatever seasoning you have at hand. Then give this a nice stir and make sure it's combined. Leave this to cook for another 1 minute. After a minute of cooking this, I'm going to add in some diced tomatoes, red bell peppers, and the green bell peppers as well. I'm going to make sure I stir this until it mixes very well. Then I'll leave this to cook for a while. Now the potatoes are beginning to get soft, so you just leave this to cook for about 3 minutes until it's properly soft and the vegetables are cooked. So now I've cooked this for a while. This is how it looks like and it's ready. Pan fried potato is ready. Just take it off heat and serve this. Our pan fried potato recipe is ready. I hope you try this healthy recipe out. You will love this. It's best you serve this immediately. Really yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave your comments below. Until next time, have a wonderful time. Bye.